In today's video, we will talk about real and complex numbers. Hello, teachers. This material provides definition of real numbers and complex numbers as well as its subsets. It also includes some examples for each concept introduced. You may include in the discussion on how these concepts are applied in real-life situations. Real numbers are used in measurements and finance, whereas complex numbers are applied in electronics and engineering. On this lesson, you will learn about real and complex numbers. First, we start with real numbers. Real number is a quantity that can be expressed as an infinite decimal expansion. Real numbers are used in measurements of continuously varying quantities, such as time and size. Real numbers basically form the union of rational numbers and irrational numbers. So, there will be a separate set for rational numbers and a separate set for irrational numbers. These two sets are disjoint. No rational number belongs to the set of irrationals, and no irrational number belongs to the set of rationals. If we further divide rational numbers, within rational numbers we have integers. Within integers, we have whole numbers. And within whole numbers, we have natural numbers. Now coming towards rational numbers. Rational numbers are defined as numbers that can be written in fraction form or in the form of a over b, where a and b are integers and b is not zero. It is important that this fraction is in its lowest terms and that a and b belong to the set of integers. For example, if you look at 9 by 17, 2.3, and 0, these are all rational numbers. There are many such numbers that can be classified as rational. Irrational numbers are defined as those numbers that are not rational. This means that irrational numbers cannot be expressed in fraction form like rational numbers. Examples of irrational numbers include Euler's constant, e, pi symbol, and the square roots of prime numbers such as square root 2, square root 3, and square root 5. Essentially, numbers that are non-terminating and non-recurring are considered irrational. The set of integers consists of whole numbers that are not in decimal or fraction form, such as 0, 1, 2, -1, -2, -3, and so on. These numbers fall under the category of integers. Next, we have whole numbers, which are positive integers including 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Natural numbers are positive integers greater than or equal to 1. Complex numbers. Complex number are the numbers of the form x plus y iota, in which x and y are real numbers and iota is the imaginary unit such that iota square is equal to -1. A real number multiplied to the imaginary unit iota results to an imaginary number. Here are some examples of complex numbers.